I'd like to suggest we have a lot of friends and Esther Murudi is also here, and many of you have served in government in one capacity. And so whenever I see you, I always think of your office in Jogo House and the meetings.
And we came here to consult with our brothers and sisters so that we can develop that direction as a people as we move forward. So we are here to send that message, and we shall be coming again. They've been very candid. They've given us advice. They've criticized us. They've told me what I could do to improve my ratings here. They've told me my shortcomings, and I take it in stride and I take it positively, and that is what we should do. So hatuna mambo mengi, but that is the message. We have 47 counties in our country, but you cannot have 47 visions. So we need as a people to understand that in our diversity as Kenyan people, those constitutional or geographical boundaries that are there, there must be a common thread. There must be a common thread of issues that can unite us, that can bring us together. And we must have a critical mass of those issues that can unite us, so that as we have the 47 counties, we must know that we then have a Kenyan vision. That is what is critical. So we must have commonality on matters of the economy, on matters of security, on matters of healthcare, on matters of education, the critical issues, so that we move away from corrosive politics, which are taking us into all sorts of corners, all sorts of segments, always being corrosive. Kenyans, we must move away from that. We must show that there is hope in positive politics, in positive engagement. That is where answers lie.
For us, it is great being here, consulting. I think this country is at a place where we need to listen to each other more. We need to consult with leaders. It's been good meeting, colleagues we have been with in Parliament and leaders from this Mount Kenya region, which is an extremely important region as we move to this election, which is in 444 days, or 1 year and 2 months. I think the only thing that I will add, in addition to what Senator Malala has said, is that Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, who indeed is our candidate for presidency, is reaching out. And is reaching out to talk issues. We've said this country needs a break from politics of insults, politics of personalization, to politics of issues. That the young people in this region and the young people across the country want a narrative of hope, of how we will uplift their social and economic status, and that people can have something in their pocket. That is a struggle that we are seeing. That is why some areas are restive, because people feel that they need economic empowerment across the country.
Na sisi tumekuja kutafuta tu marafiki, na tumeanza mazungumzo na Mlima Kenya na jamii ambazo zinaishi Mlima Kenya, na tuko na uhakika yale mazungumzo ambayo tumeongea leo ni mwanzo tu ya uhusiano bora kati ya jamii ambazo zinaishi Mlima Kenya na chama chetu cha ANC. Tumetembea na viongozi kadha wa kadha. Tumetembea na kiongozi Senator Sakaja, tumetembea na kiongozi mbunge Tandaza, tumetembea na mbunge wa Vihiga Mheshimiwa Dagala na wabunge wengi ambao tumetembea kuja tu ku market yule candidate wetu ambaye tunaamini kwamba yeye ndio anaenda kukomboa Kenya kutoka kwa minyororo ya ambayo tuko nayo sasa hivi. Na mambo ambayo tumeongea ni mambo ya uchumi. Mnajua kwamba Mheshimiwa Mudavadi yeye anaamini kwa kukomboa Kenya hii na kuhakikisha kwamba ameiweka mahali ambapo tuko na uchumi bora. Hiyo ndio sera ambazo tumekuja kuuza leo hapa, na tungependa tukuhimiza Wakenya wote kwamba sisi tunauza sera ya Mheshimiwa Musalia Mudavadi, tukisema kwamba yeye ni ule mtu ambaye anakuja kuleta uchumi bora katika nchi yetu. Na tunajua Mlima Kenya ni watu ambao wanapenda biashara, ni watu ambao wanategemea uchumi bora, na hiyo ndio message ambayo tumeleta hapa.
We are having a conversation on leadership regarding the way forward for this country. And as a community, we are open to anybody on this discussion, because it is important for the people of Mount Kenya region to be able to chart a way forward, to have a discussion with anybody interested in leadership, like our friend Musalia Mudavadi. And we welcome everybody else to this conversation, which way forward for Kenya. That's what we are discussing. And we think we have had a very healthy discussion. He has asked for our support, and we shall continue this conversation, because he think he is a leader worth his sword. We think as a region, we should consider him among other leaders. And when that time comes, we shall consider him among others. That's what we are discussing, a conversation on leadership regarding Mount Kenya, because we think Mount Kenya is going to play an important role in these transition arrangements. Thank you.
We have followed your story and your convictions, the things you've done in government, even as a professional in the land sector. And we feel very, very proud to be associated with you. We thank you for coming here. And we are also very grateful for the candid conversations that we've had today. And the candid conversations sometimes can be pretty rough. But so long as they are honest from the heart and they reflect the concerns and constraints of our people across the board, then they will be helpful.
So we want to clean that mentality and tell people there's nothing wrong in engaging in active progress. When you look at me, when a criminal, I'm not a criminal. So it's good to appreciate the rules of this world. That's a position where I had as a chairman. Currently, I'm also the chairman when you ask the council. Of interest was the growing of this corporate association and whatever activities that we have been having, including the exposure in some of the activities. Conversation with you people, because he is interested in the. We have talked about leadership. Where are we coming from, this country? Where are we?